Have you ever sat down to watch a movie, but 5 minutes in, you find yourself scrolling through your phone while playing a game and listening to a podcast? You're trying to do everything at once, but at the end of the day, you feel completely empty. You're not actually enjoying anything anymore. And honestly, it's not your fault. It's a trap. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. Think of dopamine not as the chemical of pleasure, but as the chemical of anticipation and pursuit. Back in the day, our ancestors got dopamine spikes by hunting, exploring, or surviving. It took effort, but today, your phone gives you cheap dopamine hits on a silver platter every single time you swipe a screen. The problem is, your brain adapts. When you flood it with cheap, instant dopamine 24/7, your dopamine receptors start to shut down. It's like turning up the volume on loudspeakers. Soon, normal sounds aren't loud enough anymore. That's why reading a book, going for a walk, or just sitting in silence feels painfully boring now. Your baseline is broken. So, how do you fix it? You don't need to live in a cave for a month. You just need a dopamine reset. For 1 hour a day, put the phone in another room. Do something that requires real effort, like cleaning, writing, or cooking, and let your brain remember what it feels like to chase a reward instead of having it handed to you. Try it and watch how colors look brighter and life feels interesting again. Look, you don't need a total life reset starting tomorrow. Just try giving your brain a 1 hour break today. Take back control of your focus, and you'll see everything change. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.